As you notice here, there are separation of muscles. First,
Zippa humoralis,
that's the zippa humoralis. Next,
pectoralis minor,
pectoralis minor, separated. How separated here? How about this one?
major,
Pectoralis major,
pecta antebrachialis.
pecto antebrachialis. So this one. Now take note here, there are two separation of muscles. Separation of muscles. The first one, hold on, this one and this one. This would be your, always, it will be better on the other side, but this one is your clavotrapezius. Always below the clavotrapezius, connected to the limbs, is your clavobrachialis. So we're good here, this side? Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Let's do this page by page. This one, it should be very easy. There are 3 layers of muscles. You have your oblique, your external, internal, and transverse. 1, 2, and 3.
Yep.
Okay. This one. So cut your muscles, dip the muscles. These muscles would be your that would be your serratus ventralis, and in the dip muscles later, you can see here the scalens bundle that separates into 3. You have your posterior, medial, and your anterior. Now, if you raise up your anterior, which I did in mine,
transversus costarum,
you can expose this muscle, which is the transversus costatum. Clear? Okay, let's go to the next page.
next page.
You guys are good, so what's wrong?
I only studied yesterday.
Page
Oh, I study
314.
after the quiz?
That's what I said. If you want, can I take the quiz over?
What the heck, George? You're supposed to study before the quiz. Let's orient this similar to the cat and tell me if it really looks the same. Yes?
I gotta head out.
All right.
I did the shark with them.
Tomorrow, 3 o'clock. I should be here around 12. The exam is 2:30.
Right, but I wanted to come and help.
Okay, good. Yeah. Now, these are a lot of muscles. 1, 2. This one, take note of the difference. This different muscle. 3, 4, 5. Different muscles and different muscles. Okay. Let's start with our reference point that is most obvious. Let's start with this big band of muscles.
Okay.
What's that?
The scapula.
No, the scapula is somewhere.
Okay, so that's the acromiotrapezius.
Trapezius.
So below the acromiotrapezius, posteriorly,
Spinal.
that would be your spinotrapezius.
Spinotrapezius.
This one, acromospinotrapezius. Below the acromotrapezius.
Clavodeltoid.
That's right. This one?
Acromiodeltoid.
No, this is spinal.
Spinodeltoid.
Spinal. This one would be your.
The guy we just pointed to?
No. Okay, first this one.
Okay.
Spinodeltoid.
Spinodeltoid.
This one besides this muscle. This one.
Acromiodeltoid.
That's not it. This one. This one first. Let's start this. Spinodeltoid. Acromotrapezius. This band of muscle here would be your levator scapula ventralis.
That's one I always mess up.
Yes. Okay. So this muscle here would be your acromiodeltoid.
Okay.
Okay. Again, let's go back to your clavotrapezius here, and this one, your clavobronchialis. Right? The head here is your clavo. Okay. Let's start again. One more time. Start here. This would be your acromiotrapezius. This is your spinotrapezius. This one would be your spinodeltoid. This one would be your levator scapula ventralis. This one would be your acromiodeltoid. Again, the clavotrapezius here, clavobrachialis.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
I really wish I studied Sunday. So much better.
Ventralis, this is your scalens, and there are 2 layers of muscles here.
Yeah.
These are intercostalis externus and internus.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Do we need to know serratus dorsalis?
Just a band of muscles.
That's the serratus dorsalis.
Okay, this is your lumboidal fascia.
Mm-hmm.
Take note here, this one is a different muscle, it separates.
Spinalis dorsi.
This spinalis dorsi, this whole band of muscles here is your longitimus dorsi. The other side muscle is the iliocostalis. This one, just on the other side. So if you go down, the longitimus dorsi actually splits into three different muscles.
Mhm.
First, this one muscle here is your multifidus spinae, and then you have three. 1, 2, 3. That would be
That's
your
longitimus
dorsi bundle.
Okay.
Do we need to know the three bundles?
Yeah,
Medial, upper, lateral.
yeah, medial, upper, and lower.
Okay.
Okay. So that should be very clear.
Okay.
Next, let's review quick the neck muscles. Have you covered this in your specimen?
Yeah, yesterday.
Let's start with the biggest muscle here. What muscle is this?
I don't remember.
That's right, this is digastric. Below covering the digastric is your mylohyoid. And this one,
Sternohyoid.
sternohyoid, and then the muscles covering the sternohyoid.
Sternomastoid.
George, I don't need to do this. You memorized it already. That's right.
You don't know. I spent hours yesterday.
Okay, that's it. For the neck,
So we don't need to know any of these.
no, just the one that I mentioned.
Wait, let me get that. All right, none of that. Okay.
Yeah, just in case. These are all rhomboidos. First, I'm gonna point out the three different muscles. This one is different, rhomboidus capitis.
Right.
This one is different. No, this is
Cervicis?
cervicis. This is your rhomboidus capitis.
No.
Capitis.
No.
No, capitis,
Capitis.
rhomboidus cervicis, and thoracis. Okay? Capitis, cervicis, thoracis. Now, if you flip that up, you can expose the deep neck muscles. Again, take note of this. This is your rhomboidus capitis. Below the rhomboidus capitis is a wide band of muscles connecting to the limb to the head that makes the head move. Is your splenius. And then below the splenius is you can trace the scalene band.
Scalene.
Now, if you cut the splenius, you can expose another two bands of muscle. Which are your another capitis layer. The semispinalis cervicis and semispinalis capitis. Okay?
Okay.
So just below the splenius, it should be very fast. And then the rest would be your masseter, your temporalis.
Right.
What else are covered? I think we're done because the limbs already covered.
Can we go through thigh muscles? Okay. Are you asking us the thigh?
Just thigh muscles.